Good morning, children. Sai Ram. What are you doing? Waiting for your classes? Very good. And say, how are you? Ask me also how I am. I'm also fine and very, very, very fresh and very good to see you all. So, you all are waiting for the new lesson, right? So, today is our English period. What? English. Yes, we have to study today English. So, the previous lesson, the previous chapter which we studied in English, a school with a difference. Have you understood and done the work? That you have supposed to do new words, word meanings, make sentences. Make sentences was your homework you have to do. Yes, you have to make one more sentence from that words, right? Have you understood that chapter? Very good, very good. Now today in English we will study English grammar. And as you remember that we have already finished 2 chapters in grammar, that is noun and what is the name of the second chapter? Articles. Yes. And now today we will take third chapter, chapter 3 from English grammar, that is adjectives and kinds of adjective. Alright children, adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Can you repeat the name of the chapter which we are going to study today? That is chapter 3. Yes. Adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Shall we start? Hope you all are ready with your notebooks and pen. And I repeat that notebook should be any rough notebook or any other practice notebook which you have made. All are having? So how you have to start? You have to write down today's date, subject, English grammar, then chapter 3 and name of the chapter, adjectives and kinds of adjective. All have written? Yes or no? Written? Now we start. First of all, what is adjective? What is adjective? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of noun or a pronoun. Yes, children. An adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word which is used to add, something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. What is noun? We have studied about noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing. Yes, that is noun. Any name. Let's take an example. Rahul. And what is pronoun? What is pronoun? See, I am giving you an example. Rahul is a boy. Rahul study in class 5th. Rahul lives in Haridwar. Rahul is a good boy. Alright, children. What is common in these sentences? What is repeated again and again? What is repeated? I have again and again repeated the word Rahul in the sentence. Yes. So, what is pronoun? Now, see. Rahul is a boy. He study in class 5th. He lives in Haridwar. He is a good boy. Instead of repeating the name Rahul, 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 what I use? I use he. Now he is pronoun and Rahul is noun. Alright, children, and one thing more I have used, that he is a good boy. Good. Now, what is adjective in this sentence? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of the noun. What I add in the sentence? What did I add? I add good. He is a good boy. Good become adjective. All right? Understood? Yes or no? Reply. Yes. I will repeat it again. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. Let's say the Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. What is adjective in this sentence? What is adjective in this sentence? Come on, children, tell me. Beautiful is adjective word. Beautiful is a adjective word used in this sentence. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. What type of monument it is? It is beautiful monument. So beautiful is a word which is an adjective that adds something to the meaning of noun. Understood? What is adjective? Come on. Read from the screen. What is adjective? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of noun this is or, okay, or a pronoun. Understood? Shall we move on? Yes. Yeah. Now we have examples of adjectives. A word boy is a noun. See, I have taken the example. I have taken here the example of a boy. What? Boy. A boy is an intelligent, a boy is a noun. A word boy is a noun. So, a tall boy, an intelligent boy, a rich boy, a polite boy, a lazy boy, a good boy, and so on. So, all these words, see, tall, intelligent, rich, polite, lazy, and good. These all are adjectives. These all are adjectives. These words are adding something, adding a meaning to the noun. What is noun here? Noun is a boy. We have taken the example of a boy. Understood, children? This is a very simple example I have taken. A boy. A boy means boy is a noun. Boy is a noun. Now the examples: a tall boy, an intelligent boy, a rich boy, a polite boy, a lazy boy, a good boy. These all are the underlined words. These all underlined words are adjectives because they are adding a meaning to the noun. They are adding meaning to the noun. An adjective is a describing words. Adjective is describing word, which here in example we are describing noun. And what is noun here? Boy. What type of that boy the boy is? Means he is a rich boy, he is an intelligent boy, he is a lazy boy, he is a polite boy, he is a tall boy. So these all are the describing words. Just write down, an adjective is a describing words. An adjective is a describing word which describes about noun or which adds something to the noun or pronoun, which adds some meaning to the noun or pronoun. Understood? If you want to write an example, you can write. Write down boy, noun. Example, tall boy, rich boy, polite boy, lazy boy, good boy. Alright, and underline the word tall, intelligent, rich, polite, lazy, good. Now write down all these words are adjectives because they are describing something. They are adding meaning to the noun, so that these words become adjectives. An adjective is a describing word. Understood? Alright. Some more example. Some food, several question, two girls, this tree, which building, my sister, and etc. Yeah. Some food, several question, two, this, which, my. All these highlighted words are adjectives. Alright, not only tall, short, big, smart, lazy, polite, these are the adjectives. No, some more are also there, like some, several, two, this, which, my, etc. These are also adjectives. Alright, now we don't have to use all the time like he is a rich boy, and he is a polite boy. Like we are not supposed to use only these type of examples. Some more examples also we can, some more words also we can use, like some, several, two, this, which, my. Alright, these are also adjectives. Understood, children? Shall we move on? Now we have position. Now we have position of adjective, means where we are supposed to put adjective words, means which is the position. Now let's read first one. When an adjective is used to describe noun, it is normally placed before noun. When an adjective word is used to describe noun. Okay, when the adjective word is used to describe the noun, then it is placed before, then it is placed before the noun. Then it is placed before the noun. Alright, children. Where it should be placed? It should be placed before the noun. Understood? When an adjective is used to describe, it is describe what? The noun. So, it is generally or normally placed before the noun. Understood? Now, let's take an example. An easy question. How is the question? Question is easy. So, easy is a adjective. A new design. What type of design? New design. Latest design. A poor man. Alright. Here we are describing about question. So, easy is an adjective or it is placed before the noun. In second question, we are describing about the design. About design. So, which type of design? What type of design? It is a new design. So, here also we put adjective word or describing word before the noun. And what is noun here? Design. Third, poor man. What type of man he is? He is a poor man. So, man is a noun here and we are describing about the man. So, here man is a noun and we are describing about the man. What type of man he is? He is a poor man. So, here also we have placed the describing word or adjective before the noun and noun is man. Understood? Sure? Just write down position of adjectives. First one is before the noun. First one is before the noun and write down the examples. An easy question, a new design, a poor man. Done? Now the second one. But sometime an adjective may be placed after the noun. Here it is before the noun. Here it is before the noun. Here after the noun. Sometimes it is before the noun and sometimes it is before and sometimes it is after. Yes, children. So, before, now we have after. What do we have? After. And we have already studied about before. We have already studied before. Now, it's done for after. Sometimes an adjective may be placed after the noun as well. Now, let's take the same example. This question is easy. Here, what is a noun? The noun is question. We are talking about question. What type of question it is? This question is easy. Easy is a describing word. Alright. That design is new. That design is new. What is noun here? Design. What is noun here? Design. And the describing word which is used is new. Describing word is new. Next, the man is poor. What is noun? Man. What type of man? Poor man. Poor is a describing word. Understood? So, we have studied before. We have studied after. Before and after. In before, we have to place the adjective word before the noun, and after we have to place the we have to place the adjective or describing word after the noun. Examples: an easy question, we have put before we have put easy word before the noun, that is question. Here this question is easy. Here we have put easy word after noun, that is question. Understood, children? Sure? Yes or no? Understood, right. Okay then. Now we have types of adjectives, or we have kinds of adjectives. Alright, we have kinds of adjectives. How many kinds? There are generally 7 kinds, 7 types of adjectives. How many? 7 types of. Yes, children, we have 7 types of adjectives. How many types? 7 types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers, demonstrative adjectives, descriptive adjectives, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjectives. How many types? There are 7 types of adjectives. There are 7 types of adjectives. First one, just give me a minute. We will repeat how many types of adjectives. There are 7 types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality, which tell us about the quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, adjective of numbers. Next, demonstrative adjectives. Next is demonstrative adjectives. Next, descriptive adjectives. Next, interrogative adjective. What? Interrogative. And the last is possessive adjectives. How many types? 7 types of adjectives. How many types? 7 types. Now we study one by one all these. First one is adjective of quality. What it is? Adjective of quality. Now its meaning. It describes the quality of a person or thing. It describes. What does it describe? It describes the quality. It describes the quality of a person or thing. An adjective, it is an adjective of quality. Answer the question, what kind of? As the word quality means what type of quality, or what is a kind of. So in this type of adjective, it means the question we ask is what kind of. Alright, this will be clear more by the examples. Like, she told a funny story. What kind of story it is? Or what kind of story she told? What kind of story? She told a funny story. What is the word? What is the adjective here? Funny. She told a funny story. Pandit Nehru was a popular leader. What kind of leader Pandit Nehru was? The question is, what kind of a leader Pandit Nehru was? So our answer is, Pandit Nehru was a popular leader. So what is the adjective word here? Popular. What is the word? Popular. Yes. Third is, the teacher asked a difficult question. What kind of question teacher asked? What kind of question teacher asked? Teacher asked a difficult question. Teacher asked a difficult question. So, in quality means adjective of quality. We ask the question. We ask what type of question? What kind of? Wherever quality word is used, you have to think in your mind that kind. Okay, like for example, if you go on a clothes shop, your mother, you generally listen that your mother asks what kind of material is used in this, what kind of quality it is. That means she is asking about the quality, what kind of. Here also, adjective of quality means we are asking its kind, means what kind of story? Funny story. What kind of leader Pandit Nehru was? He was a popular leader. What type of question teacher asked? Teacher asked a difficult question. Have you understood, children? Tell me. Quality, adjective of quality. These are the circle words are adjective of quality. Understood? Now second type. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. It specifies the quantity of a thing. It specifies the quantity of a thing. And again, it answers the question, how much? Quantity, you understand, na? Quantity, how much? Have you understood? There, in quality, what kind of? And in quantity, how much? In quantity, how much? Yes, children? This also more clear by the examples. We have enough food for a month. What is the adjective of quantity is used in this sentence? You are going to tell me. We have enough food for a month. We have enough food for a month. How much food you are having for a month? We have enough food. We have enough food. So, enough is adjective of quantity. This sentence tells us how much food? We have enough food. So, enough is adjective of quantity. We need some water also. In this sentence, what is adjective of quantity? Which word is telling the quantity of water? Some. Which word? Some. We need some water. Okay. Some is adjective of quantity. The car gave me much trouble. How much trouble? The car gave me much trouble. The car gave me much trouble. So adjective of quantity is much. So children, adjective of quantity tell us how much, and adjective of quality tell us what kind of. Please don't get confused in both the two. Quantity means how much and quality means what kind of. Got it, children? Now third type we studied adjective of number. Adjective of number. It tells how many person or thing are meant. Means we are talking about how many. We are talking about what we are talking about? How many? When we are talking about numbers, that means how many. Examples: 5 passengers got into the bus. 5 passengers got into the bus. What is adjective of numbers? 5. What is adjective of number? 5. Second, many friends helped him. Many friends helped him. So the word is many. The word is many. She made several mistakes. She made several mistakes. What is the adjective of number here is used? From which word you come to know that this word is adjective? Adjective of number. The word several. How many mistakes? She made several mistakes. How many friends helped him? Many friends helped him. How many passengers got into the bus? 5 passengers got into the bus. Understood, children? How many types we have studied today? How many types we have studied? Come on, recall it. Come on, tell me how many we have studied today. We studied 3. How many? We studied total 3. First one is adjective of quality, then adjective of quantity, then numbers. Total 1. First one is adjective of quality, second adjective of quantity, and third adjective of numbers. Okay, children? I hope all the 3 which we studied today, you are able to differentiate that this is adjective, this word is adjective of quality, this word is quantity, this word tell us about the numbers. Are you able to differentiate in all? Shall I give you some exercise? Yes, I will give you. After this video, in the description box, there is a blue color link. You have to click it, do the worksheet and submit. Alright? In next video, we are going to study the next types of adjectives. Till then, don't waste your time. Complete your all the works. Alright, in every subject and study. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Sai Ram.